And a beautiful good morning from Rock Creek.
Hello! Good morning.
Jonathan and I are going to ride towards Greenwood and take a few shots, and I think he's going to do a little more drone footage, so that should be kind of fun.
We'll see.
See you soon.
Yeah, go, go, look at me, go, go, make me wanna fly, fly all the time, shining, I'm shining now, makes no difference if the world ain't listening, I'm never gonna change, so what if I'm kicking up dirt, I wanna be heard, silence ain't my thing, I'm gonna shake off these boots and dance on in the pouring rain, I'm crazy baby insane, I'm crazy baby insane. Move aside or I'll come crashing through.
We are out just behind Greenwood and we found kind of a fun little road to ride through, and we're going to try to go take some shots near the mine.
All the time, shining, I'm shining now. Makes no difference if the world ain't listening. I'm never gonna change. So what if I'm kicking up dirt? I wanna be heard. Silence ain't my thing. I'm gonna shake off these boots and dance.
And here comes the drone. We'll see what kind of footage we got very soon.
Silence ain't my thing. I'm gonna shake off these boots and dance on in the pouring rain. I'm crazy baby insane. 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 I'm kicking up dirt, I wanna be heard. Silence ain't my thing. I'm gonna shake off these boots and dance out in the pouring rain. So what if I'm kicking up dirt? I wanna be heard. Silence ain't my thing. I'm gonna shake off these boots and dance out in the pouring rain. I'll shout as loud as I can so you'll understand. Silence ain't my thing. I'm gonna shake off these boots and dance out in the pouring.
From the RS to the man in the tunnel.
Give me a go, go, make me wanna fly, fly all the time, shining, I'm shining now. Go, go, give me a go, go, make me wanna fly, fly all the time, shining, I'm shining now. Go, go, give me a go, crazy baby, wanna fly, fly all the time, shining, I'm shining now. Go, go, give me a go, crazy baby, wanna fly, fly all the time, shining, crazy baby, insane.
Such a fun little place. In 1997, a show was filmed here called Snow Falling on Cedars, and they added some of the signage to these buildings, giving it a kind of a great look. They have a museum, a great little ice cream stand, the facades and the old buildings, and we're going to walk up towards the pub for something tasty and a little bit of lunch. This is Copper Street, Greenwood, back in the day. Greenwood has a really fun history. In 1884, the first hard rock claim was staked near Boundary Falls, and in 1891, two major copper mines were staked, one in Phoenix and the other near Deadwood. There's nothing left in Phoenix today other than a monument to let you know where it was. Greenwood came into existence in 1895 and became a bustling mining town. In 1897, it was incorporated as a city. Thank you for coming along on the ride with us. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments. And I'm just waiting now for Jonathan. He's taken the off-road route from the area of Phoenix back to Greenwood, and we'll meet up in a few minutes and we'll see you along the way.